Hello, today I am going to show you how to create a Discord server. See, I create this. So I am going to show you today how to create a Discord server and personalize it and how to add bots. So first create here, click here, then you can choose a template such as gaming, school club, study group, friends, artists and creators and local community. But I prefer you to create a fresh server, create my own and choose it for me and my friends. Now give a name server name, so I give server name to test server and then click create. Here it's create. Now our first work is to add bots. Here a lot of in Discord there are a thousand bots, but all bots are not good. So I will show you top 10 bots. First bot is Mystic, second Dino, third Arcane, fourth Dank Mimar, fifth Rhythm, six Server State, seven Disbot, eight Pokemon, nine Epic RPG and 10 Soccer Guru. So before adding bots, we need to create a role. For creating role, go to server setting. Here, this not are important. We go to roles and create a role. So first role is for the owner. So give owner. You can give owner or president. I give owner, and that is the color for the owner. So I give the color for owner pink. Pink. No, I choose manually. This for owner. And always for owner display role members separately from online and allow to mention for the owner you should give all the permissions. For owner it's all. And manage members, uh, it's the I am the owner, so I give add and save changes. And second role is for our admin. So admin is who can edit our server and add bots and many things. So I create a role for admin, or you give CEO what you choose admin. So choose a color for admin. I choose green color and display role separately. Allow anyone to. And for permissions, admin should also give all permissions. You should give all permissions for admin except manage channels, manage roles, manage roles. This this permission should not be given, and other you can give. So manage books, manage server also should not be given. Create invite, change nickname, manage nickname, kick members, ban members, manage messages, all permissions given. And administrator, these are the very dangerous permissions, so this for only owner. You shouldn't give anyone to this permissions. um, Currently we have no members in our server, so I wouldn't give it. And save changes. uh, we want to add bots, but for the bot we need a role. So this role name bot, and bot color is I give bot color yellow. You give as you choice. And for bot display role members, this allow everyone to this. And permissions for bot permissions: view channel, manage roles, manage emojis, view audit log, manage webhooks, not manage server, and also not administrator. Give and other give other all the permissions. Manage messages. And also not show you also you should not give manage server. And now our bot permissions ready. We don't have members, so we don't give. And this is the role order. And top is owner, second is admin, third is bot. And now emoji. We don't you can give your own emoji. For emoji we need a picture such as meme emoji. And for adding a emoji, you should your photo size must be 25x 25 pixel, 250x 250 pixel, and this is 250x 250, so I can add it as emoji. See, I save it here and upload emoji. As it 250x 250, we easily add that. Then moderation, uh, must have a verified email on the Discord. Must, you can choose as you, but I prefer it to give medium. And we don't need high or highest because it's not a community. Expect media, this don't necessary, but if you wish you can give it this, but I don't give it. Okay, save changes. And it's our history, server story, its integration, manage webhooks. Until we don't have any bots, so we can't add this now. Now we need to enable community. As for enabling community, click here, get started. First safety checks, give it right. Next, create one for me, or hash, it's hash general. And its community updates channel also hash generals. Now one last step, default notifications to mentions only, but we give it here. Remove moderation permissions from everyone. Yes, no, this not necessary. I agree and understand. Okay, our overview is complete. Community. Now rules or guideline channel. We need to create a rules channel. So get here, uh, create a category. This category for announcement, create category. In announcement we will create rules. It's all text channel and rules, create. Okay, then we will go to server settings, overview, and our rules or guidelines will be here. And community updates, for updates we need a channel. We will give channel name announcement or updates as you wish. I give announcement. Give here server setting, overview, community updates channel, here announcement. Our server primary language is English, and our server description you give as your wish. Save changes. Now our okay, today is end. Tomorrow in next video we'll show you how to create membership screening and welcome screening. Okay, goodbye for today.